Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear those friends. Today's video is question number 2.25 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. An electron is in one of the 3D orbitals. Give the possible values of N, L and M for this electron. So they are mentioning the electron is in 3D. This is the location of the electron. So the values of N, L and M, actually these are the quantum numbers, and this is used to locate the electron in an atom. Exact position of the electron we can get with the help of these quantum numbers. So first we start with the N. N, which is also known as principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. So this we can get with the help of this number 3. It is mentioned 3. It means the electron is in third shell of that atom. This is also called as principal quantum number. Next comes in the list is L. It also known as azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. It is marked by the concept. See, we have in any shell we have S, P, D, F subshells like sections. So for S, the value of L should be 0. For P, the value of L is 1. For D, the value of L is 2. And for F, the value of L is 3. And so on we can move. So here they are telling D, 3D they are mentioning. It means the electron is in D subshell. For D subshell, the value of L should be 2 from the given list. So we can write L is equal to 2. Now come up to M. It is also known as magnetic quantum number. It tells about in which orbital the electron is there. So the possible values of M should be minus L, 2 plus L. So here L value is minus 2. So we can say minus 2, 2 plus 2. These are the values in which electron may be possibly present. So its value is minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. So these are the 5 orbitals. Let me draw the orbital. The D orbital, as we are telling 3D. So it means D orbital having D subshell has 5 orbitals. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orbitals. So electron, these values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. These are the values of the M. So electron may be sitting in one of this orbital. So friends, that's all for today in this video. Hope you like the video. Please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Till then, thank you.